Right guys, Ed Shed, doing something you hated, painting drive shafts. No, they're not great, I just paint them silver. But I got a bigger problem. I came to look at these. Now look at this. This is a late star with a big piston. And this is an early star with a small piston. And I've got the pistons for this one. So I've got odd. So, right, well I'm going to have a look round. I know I had a pair. I know I had a pair early or late. I don't know which one it was now, so I don't know which I had. So I really am a little bit on the old TD side now. I think that was the one I had. So I get the feeling the early one is the one I had, and the late one is the one I got. Anyway, yeah. So that's just another little job to try and sort out. You know, you can't make this stuff up, can you? Really? Can't find those leads for the pins to put those pins in with. I don't know where they are. They could be anywhere. This bloody shit, couldn't they? Oh, God. You have no idea, guys. I'm not going to give up on the idea of some of this at the moment, because the reason I'm going to give up is I do believe I have actually got some. I might have some seals. I don't know. Well, I don't know. Let's just see. I'm going to see what I can find with them things. But I do want to find them pins, and I just don't know where they are. I just, you know, it's just they could be anywhere without starting again and going through the whole bloody shed. I mean, it could be anywhere. So, biggest problem we got is the caliper, and I just don't know where else to look. I just don't know where else I can look. It just does my head in. I know this one here. There's one here laughing at me somewhere, going ha 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 ha. I mean, how can I have so many Aston Martins? Look there. I mean, got so many bastards. I got loads of Aston Martins both, so that's why I got loads of Aston Martin calipers. I'm just checking in my box here, because I bought some of these. Look, see these? These are the old proper nuts are there, so that they're not rubber, not nylocks. Got loads of shims, I got that. So yeah, maybe that box wasn't as bad as I thought. Maybe it bloody was, but I don't know. Oh, there's the clip for the door handles. Yeah, okay, so maybe we have got some of the stuff we actually ordered. That's it. Okay. Right guys, I don't know what happened there, but somewhere it just suddenly cut out. But listen. Okay, so I started putting the axle together. There's a special tool which you're probably not aware of. This thing. It's like a mushroom, it's like a bullet. Made by Jaguar years ago, and it goes on the end of the thread. And it stops the thread getting damaged when you hammer this through. The taper on there allows it to go through the hub, right? Look. All right, mind the bullet drink. And you can line it up, and then you, with your heart's content, you can beat 7 mils and get it through. Now, I had a load of them made. They're Jaguar apart, and this is my only one. I can't find the rest. I've got one. I got one in my collection. This one's had a hard time, so it stops the thread on the end getting damaged, so you can actually hammer it through, and you don't damage the threads. If that makes any sense to you. I mean, no doubt it will. People who've actually assembled one of these, you'll know how hard that is to line it all up. You can leave all the diff loose, you can leave it loose, but it's actually bloody difficult. So at the moment, I've still got a problem down here. I'm still short of some of these seals and washers and bushes. But I have done the other radius arm, put new bushes in it. That's over there. And I have painted those horrible drive shafts. So, I'm going to find some shocks. That's on the next list. I'll do the back axle. I'll get the axle together. That's the next thing I'm going to do. Now I've found that bullet, the sky's the limit. As long as I can put one side together, I've got to find a shock, and I've got to get over this problem with the old calipers. So that's the next thing on the agenda, to get over the calipers, but that shouldn't be that big a problem. Well, it probably will be, but I don't intend to buy. I'd rather spend, I think I could probably spend like 20 quid on another set of calipers than I can on spending like another, whatever it is, on another caliper assembly. So I don't know. I'm going down whichever the easiest route is. I'm going to go in whichever the cheapest route is. So don't get your hopes up, all right? I found loads to redo the front suspension calipers, so I'm going to do the original calipers for the front. So I found loads of bushes for those. So I'm not, you know, I'm not going to spend loads of money if I don't have to. I've got the bushes in here, and obviously said loads of people said they should be parallel or offset. I've always put mine offset. I don't know why. Loads of people said that they should be like here and here. I've always done like that. I don't know why I've done like that, but I have. So, you know, hey, if I'm wrong, slam me in the comments. Give me some slamming. I'd like to be slammed. Anyway, I found loads of new old stock ugly bushes. So I've used the old, I got loads of polyurethane ones, which I actually don't want to use. So I've used the ugly bushes. I've got to extract some more out of the other one, which is over there. And I've got, I think, 2 more enough to do it. So I've got enough to do the back. I might get polyurethane in the front. So, but I want to save the polyurethane for my own. What about my own bloody car? My car's, you know, why shouldn't I have polyurethane? Why should this bloody thing get them? So I put polyurethane bushes in my radius arms when I did it. So, ooh, don't look at those. They look identical, don't they? Do you not think they look identical? Yeah, well, for the keen-eyed viewer, you can see they're not. Look, see this one is smaller than that one, isn't it? See that? This one's got a lip for a seal to go on here, and that one's got no lip because the seal fits inside. So that's a larger piston I've got for that. I don't know what, I think that is E-type, that is maybe 420G or 420 or XJ6, I don't know. But either way, that's caused me a little bit of a dilemma because it might not even be, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm not going to give up. I'm going to use what I can. I've got my steering rod light sorted. That's all done. I found a front shock absorber in my stock. All right, it's not a good one, but it'll do good enough for what I want. My prop shaft is going to be great because I'm going down a different route. I'll explain it when I'm doing it.